just feels like coming home.
It's about doing a job that makes a difference forever.
There's always an element of, oof, that must be tough. It is tough, but it's fulfilling.
It's one of the best jobs on the planet.
Our aim is to be inspirational, it's to be passionate about education, and it's to open doors to the next generation of young people.
Yes, it's great to have kids who are passionate about my subject, but where I really got into teaching was to make a difference to people's lives. That's why you teach.
A career in teaching is one that you never get bored of. I can draw on a wealth of wonderful things that will bring a smile to my face.
I talk often about teachers who, years later, you'll find out a kid is in a certain job because of how they enjoyed your subject, or a kid's just got into Oxbridge from a state school that you've helped them get there. That's unstoppable. And when that's behind you and really pushing you on, that's the kind of motivation that you get.
The amount of children I've taught over 17 years, it's hard to know what that impact looks like.
Even the tiniest things can have a massive impact.
For me personally, maths wasn't one of those things that always came really easily to me. And here I am doing maths A-levels, so doing our A-levels this year.
My lessons with Mr. Hutchinson quickly became my favourite subjects. He has actually sparked an interest in economics. That's why I want to do it at uni now.
We just facilitate the hard work from your guys' end. Literally every morning, I will get ready for work and be really excited for the day. And I know I'm going in to have an impact, and that's how I start my day.
When I left, I felt confident. It really set me up to be the teacher that I am now. It's helped me find the thing that I'm best at. I can't explain it any better than that.
I owe a lot to Reading and my mentor, and I owe a lot to the course. He was the one who really stuck by me and believed in me and said, you are going to pass this PGC and go on to be a superb teacher. And here I am 17 years later, still teaching, still with a passion for it, and without him, that wouldn't have happened.
I wanted to become a mentor because the people that helped me on my journey made a big impact on me as a teacher. I wanted to take that and help someone who wants to get to the highest heights.
So did I think I could be a CEO? Not a chance. And I ended up being one because I was given great opportunities, and it's a real privilege to do a job like this.
Anyone that's willing to take that step into teaching as a career is a brave person, but they're also a great person, because I think you have to have greatness in you to decide that you want to spend from Monday to Friday looking after other people and helping them become the greatest that they can possibly be.
The Centenary gives us a chance to celebrate everything we've achieved over the past 100 years. I hope that the IOE continues to inspire the next generation of teachers, and together they can transform lives through education.